I went through the process of buying a flat in 7 weeks. I saw it on a Thursday, confirmed my interest on Friday, submitted my offer on Monday, and 6 weeks later I had the keys and was ready to pack and move. The administrative side of it never kept me up at night. What did was figuring out where to put my wardrobe. My flat has a fairly standard layout. The living room, dining area and kitchen are one open space. And then 3 further rooms, the biggest at 15 square meters, the middle one at 11, and the smallest at 10 square meters with a balcony door that connects directly to the living room. From the start, I knew I wanted the bedroom in the largest room. That left 2 rooms, one for the wardrobe and one for the office. Initially, the plan felt straightforward. Office in the balcony room since it connects nicely to the living space, and wardrobe in the middle room since it sits right next to the bedroom. The requirements were also clear. The office needed 2 desks, 2 chairs, both in a command position, enough space to work but also to craft, film and edit. The wardrobe room needed enough hanging space for 2 capsule wardrobes and ideally somewhere to sit and relax too. It quickly became clear though that the original plan was more difficult than I thought, because both rooms share the same constraint: a wall-to-wall window on one side and a door centered directly opposite, leaving effectively only 2 walls to work with. Placing 2 desks in the balcony room the way we wanted meant permanently blocking the balcony door. Not an option. So I thought swap them, wardrobe in the balcony room instead. But that was the smaller room and we needed approximately 3 meters of hanging space. With a window taking up 1 wall, that just wasn't possible without blocking too much of the window. I also considered putting the wardrobe in the bedroom, but I liked the bedroom to be its own space, just for sleeping and relaxing. I didn't want to mix the two. For weeks I went back and forth, moving things around online and in my head, always hitting the same walls, never landing anywhere satisfying. Most evenings I spent hours on this. The shift came when I stopped thinking about a built-in wardrobe and started considering an open hanging system instead. That changed everything. An open system wouldn't block the window the same way, giving us 2 meters 90 of hanging space with room for a chest of drawers on the other side and a small seating area too. That meant the office moved into the middle room. It finally added up, more or less. It still took time, finding the right desks and figuring out how to integrate storage without making the room feel cramped. The solution for now: storage cabinets as desk legs rather than actual legs, with a shelving unit to follow at a later point. I still don't love the fact that the office sits between the bedroom and the wardrobe. Logically, it doesn't quite feel right, but within the given constraints, it's the best solution I found, and I'm quite happy with it for now. Everything is of course still taking shape and still needs a lot of love. So thanks a lot for watching, and follow along if you want to see the progress and how I turned this flat into my new home.